Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing great. So, yesterday Nifty has opened a gap up and then it took the rally a little bit with the 150 points plus. So, it's closed around to 23,400. But today, the US markets are turned red. And then, if you see here, the Dow Jones closed negative 1.73%, and then S&P 500 is closed minus 2.24%, and then Nasdaq the tech industry is closed negative 3%, so which is huge red market here. VIX is jumped 8.37%, which is danger sign, and then gold is jump again 0.28%. So gold is already at all-time high, and again today there is a change, and then oil also jump. So based on this, looks like gift nifty mostly open gap down. So you see already there is a 200 points minus. Currently it is at 23,255. Most probably it open at the same price or below 23 for sure. So let's also, there is a news from today. There is a Fed meeting is happened. The Fed chairman, Fed is like RBI. The Fed chairman Powell wants Fed could face a rising inflation. Inflation in the US could raise, and then it weaken the labor market, and then probably the Fed is not looking to cut any rate cuts further, and then they're going to wait for some time to see how this the tariffs will uh, turn into with other countries, and then how the labor market is gonna be, and then probably they're gonna look for uh, down the line how the inflation numbers are. So based on that, the Fed may do the rate cut, otherwise there are no rate cuts, so which is negative sign for market. So let's look at the Nifty chart, how it is looking. So this is the 1 hour chart. So since, as I mentioned, the gift nifty is already in negative, so there is a high chance it can open gap down. But if you see, there is a huge gap up from yesterday it opened, so it needs to test this on the red line here, 23,000, and then if that breaks 23,000, it's definitely is going to be around this range, like 22,000. Hopefully this is, since it's an earning season, so yesterday Wipro has released their earnings, so earnings are not looking that great, and then their guidance also not that great due to all these tariffs. Even the IT industry is getting affected, and then US clients, whoever they asked to pause the or hold the projects or hold the billing, whatever that's going on. And then today Geo Finance is going to announce the release end of the day, so we need to see how this uh, show effect on the finance side for the bank nifty, and then all the finance sector with the Geo Finance earnings today evening. But definitely on 1 hour chart, so if you see the MACD is trying to cross downtrend. So looks like definitely today we're gonna see below 23,000 open, and then end around 22,500 mostly. Yeah. Also, I have few stocks on my radar. This is again just the informational purpose or educational purpose, not any recommendation. So in my Twitter last few days, I've posted few charts, and then those were made good profits for me. And then I also have made a video on stop. You, do you need to stop the SIP during the market crash or market downtrend? So this is going to be very helpful video for anyone who wants to know whether they need to stop the SIP or not, with the examples I explained when in very detailed. And then I showed my small mutual fund portfolio which I started last week 2024 July, and then I did not stop during the market crash. So I I'm continuing. And then do watch this video. This will give you a very good information, and then it will make up your mind whether you need to stop SIP during the market crash or not. So the two stocks on my radar, data patterns. So current price is 1893 rupees. So this is a very good chance to break out from here and then make further high. If you see the MACD also showing positive sign with the volume, this is on my radar for this week. And then also LG equipment, this one also is ready for breakout. Yeah, yesterday, not yesterday, so few days back on April 10th, I posted the Wipro was, when I posted, Wipro was at 236, was the current market price, and it made a high of 244 within 6 days. And then definitely due to the earnings, bad earnings, I would say, so it definitely may touch 200. um, and then I'm Geo Finance is releasing the earnings today. I doubt their earnings gonna be good, but I bought 200 put for May. Let's see how that goes. So I see PDMJE paper. I posted this on April 10th, and then the price was around 101 rupees, and then yesterday it jumped to 111. So this is a very good stock. I purchased this stock around 99 rupees last month. So this is my long-term stock holding. And then I also posted Saradan here. So this is also the breakout stock. So soon we'll see around 500 range or 500 plus range. And then there are few other stocks I posted. Gravita, so this is also good stock, ready to break out. MACD is positive. And then this VTL, this is already breakout stock. It's already given a breakout, and then current market price was 487 when I posted, and then today market price is 296. So there is already a breakout done on this. So Swan Energy, so this one also I posted when the price was around what, price was around 395. And then what is the price today? So today's price is 432. So this is also given a good breakout. And then other stock I posted on April 10th, MGL, current market price was 1244 rupees on April 10th, and then it made a high of 1300 change yesterday or day before. Yeah, 1331 from the post. So yeah, Tejas Network. So Tejas Network also I posted this on April 9th. And then when I posted this, the price was 7, yeah, 7, no, not 7, 815. And then from 815 to it made a high of 860. So there is another video on my YouTube channel. So Tata Motors, I on April 9th or April 10th, I guess I predicted what is the bottom price for Tata Motors. And then exactly what based on I predicted, the Tata Motors was stopped at 535.75 cent. 75 535 is the bottom price, and then it bounced back and it made a high of 625. And then at that on the day, I think my average price on Tata Motors is 355 rupees. So not 355, 555 is the my purchase price on Tata Motors. So please watch this video. You'll know what is the target price for Tata Motors. And then there is other yeah, there are many other videos I posted on my YouTube channel, so which will be helpful. Please take a look. And then if you like my content, please share, comment, like, and subscribe, encourage. So I'm a new investor. I started investing from last couple of months. So I wanted to achieve a financially independent, retire early. So I'm using this market crash as a benefit to buy the ETF stocks fundamentally good, and then mutual funds at the lower price. So that's what I'm trying to do it now. Probably after few months I'll start showing my portfolio, what I purchased, what price, and then what is the current market price, and why did I purchase, all those stuff. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, share.